Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by securing access and control. Create an account and confirm identity, then set a strict session bankroll. $50 is a clear starting example. Once done, switch to demo if unsure. Otherwise, activate the lowest pay lines and set your coin value. Place a first conservative bet. This shows you how reels respond and whether volatility suits you. Make sure to note spin speed and sound for focus. These small choices shape your rhythm and protect your money as you start playing. You now learn how features drive wins. Study the book scatter and which symbols pay most, because knowing payable odds explains where value lies. Once you see 3 or more book symbols, you trigger free spins. Track the free spins count and any expanding symbol rule, which often creates big payouts. During play, vary your bet thoughtfully. Raise bets modestly when patterns favor you, and reduce bets after consecutive losses to manage volatility. This balance of awareness and bet control is the core of sustained play. You finish by locking wins and limiting losses. Decide a stop win and stop loss before your final spins, then cash out when met and log session results for future adjustments. If the game freezes or behaves oddly, take screenshots, do not restart bets, and contact casino support. Pause further deposits until resolved. Finally, review your play patterns weekly to refine bet sizing and session length. This habit prevents chasing losses and preserves your bankroll over time, which is the most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.